Testimonial time. Kimberly, $600 sale yesterday afternoon. The best part about this business is not just money, but it's the people I get to help change their life. I'm so excited to be able to help someone that has been watching me on Facebook. Yes, stories work. Is a caretaker for a dad and needed something to fall back on when that no longer works. Yes, my first sale, but I cannot express how excited I am that I started off 2026 with a $300 sale that came in while I was sleeping, and I did not even know it was there at first. Glory be to Jesus Christ, our God. Follow the blueprint training, share your story, hit those pain points, and stay consistent. And most importantly, never give up cause people are watching, now, even though it may not look like it. Caller, $900, and I didn't see it coming. One of the coolest things about this business is that we have an automated sales funnel. Christina Bell, $3,700 in 36 hours. I think I'm figuring out this whole daily pay thing. We are so blessed. We are so blessed. Accomplished. Shirley, Romualdo Muller, blown away for September 2025. The results. Drop a comment 5 to learn more.